Here is a quick demo of how to register and create an account to be able to bid in auctions. This should take no longer than about 2 minutes. On the first screen, there's this initial simple sign up form. All you need to do is fill in your name, email address, password, and then confirm your password. Tick the terms and conditions box, and then click register. This will create your account, and then you will receive an email with a link to verify your account. Click the link to verify the account. You can access your client zone by clicking the My Account button. Now you can see the dashboard with the other steps we need to complete. As you can see from the progress bar at the top, we are still uncertified, but the first 2 steps have been completed. Now we need to confirm our phone number, so click the Fill button on the phone box and fill in a mobile number. Then click the blue Verify button, and this will send an SMS to our mobile number. The text should only take a moment to arrive, but when it does, enter the code in the text into the field here and click Verify Phone. Next to do is to fill in our billing address, so click the Fill button on the billing address box and fill in your correct address. Be sure to fill in all the starred fields. As you can see now, we have almost reached the basic level of certification. The final thing to do is verify a card. To do this, click on the Pay button on the card registration box, and then enter in your long card number, expiry date, and security code. Once you've clicked Verify, this will take a moment to process, but when it has, you will have achieved the basic level of certification. Well done! You can now register for auctions and place bids. If you would like to upgrade your verification level to advanced, you can do this by uploading an ID and proof of address. Click the Verify button. First, upload the front of your ID by choosing a file from your computer. Click the Continue button, and you'll now see a similar screen where you can upload your proof of address. Again, upload the file from your computer. Once you've done this, the files will take a moment to process. Don't close the Upload widget until you've seen the results screen. A member of staff will now check your documents to see that they are valid. You'll be notified when they've done this.